G'day, I'm James from Walters Fencing, Tamworth, New South Wales. This is our hand-powered wire winder with a tow bar mount attachment, and today we're going to have a look at how to fit it all up and put it together. The first step is the part that goes into the tow bar itself. This is a heavier wall, 4mm steel, and the clamping mechanism. And you sit this over tow bar hitch, 18mm spanner or a shifter if you want to be easy. We just tighten this one up nice and tight, take all the wobble out of it. Second step, grab your long part, adjustable depending on what height you want to be working at. We'll just do this up. Done. Next part in the assembly is the X mount. Pop that in the tube, and you want to make sure it's positioned out towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Grab your bolt and your nut, pop it into place. We'll just loosely assemble it now. Then we grab the wire guide, put that on the top of the X mount, and do up our bolt. And you can see the reason why we've positioned this pointing out towards the driver's side of the vehicle is it's now on the correct side for the wire winder guide. And we will do up our bolts. Okay, to assemble the shaft, just undo the bolt on the end and the washer. We'll take off the first bearing and push this one up against the circlip. Now we're going to grab the cradle, insert it onto the bearing, give it a little bit of a shake to get it into position. Grab the first bearing and do the same thing on this side. Nut and washer. Last step in assembling your hand-powered wire winder. Grab the front plate. It's just like changing a tyre. Line all of the little lugs up. Cam, handle, locks it off. Good to wind. That's the hand-powered wire winder with a tow bar mount modification and how to assemble it all together. Got the loop in the end of our wire. Stick it in the little tab and we'll start to wind. And then we're done. Normally you'd stick a bit of tyre wire around there if you're wanting to hang onto that wire and reuse it. Pull the front plate off. Wires off. And we're done. 600mm inside diameter, so it's reusable on a wire spinner. That f***ing stood on the wire.
Right. 3 days running.
Alright, now can you two bastards be quiet? The wedge just goes in behind and I've completely that up, so shit. Try it again. And that's not going to be the blooper.
It is going to be.